So here's how to get points on Shein. But before we start, if you're new to Shein, you can go ahead and click on my link down in the description to get your free Shein account. After that, you can also get the Shein application. So first up, we will open the Shein app. Once you're here, you will get to see this interface. On the top left, you will see a calendar icon. Tap on it. After that, you'll be taken to the points page. And as you can see, since I've logged in today, I've got 1 point. This way, if I keep logging in every day, I will keep getting more points on Shein. And you can see here that the point increases as you go further down the streak. This way, just keep coming back every day and collect your points on Shein. So by following these simple and easy steps every day, you can easily get Shein points. And that is exactly how to get points on Shein.